Archaeologists discover hundreds of ancient carvings. In a recent archaeological discovery, researchers have uncovered hundreds of ancient carvings that shed new light on the history and culture of the people who created them. The carvings, which are believed to date back several thousand years, were found in a remote area of an as yet undisclosed location, and have been hailed as a significant find by experts in the field. The carvings, which were discovered by a team of archaeologists led by Dr. Jane Smith, were found on the walls of a rock shelter that had been used by the ancient people as a place of refuge. The carvings are believed to have been created using primitive tools and depict a wide range of subjects, including animals, people, and abstract designs. According to Dr. Smith, the carvings are particularly significant because they provide a unique insight into the lives of the people who created them. These carvings are incredibly detailed and intricate, and they give us a glimpse into the world of the people who made them, she said. We can see from the carvings that these people had a deep connection to the natural world, and that they were skilled artists who were able to create beautiful and complex designs using only simple tools. The discovery of the carvings has generated considerable excitement in the archaeological community, with many experts hailing them as a major breakthrough in our understanding of ancient cultures. This is an incredibly important find, said Dr. John Brown, a leading expert in the field. The carvings provide a unique window into the past, and they will help us to better understand the beliefs, customs, and practices of the people who created them. One of the most interesting aspects of the carvings is the range of subjects that they depict. Many of the carvings show animals, such as deer, elk, and bison, which were clearly an important part of the natural world for the people who created them. Other carvings depict human figures, including what appear to be shamans or other religious figures. There are also many abstract designs, which may have held symbolic or spiritual significance for the people who created them. The carvings are also significant because of their location. The rock shelter where they were found is located in a remote area, far from any major settlements or trade routes. This suggests that the people who created them were likely nomadic, and may have been part of a culture that moved from place to place in search of food and other resources. Despite the significance of the discovery, there are also concerns about the preservation of the carvings. Because they were created using primitive tools, the carvings are relatively fragile and are vulnerable to damage from weather and other environmental factors. Researchers are currently working to document the carvings and develop strategies to protect them from further deterioration. In addition to the carvings themselves, the discovery is also significant because of the way it was made. The rock shelter where the carvings were found was first identified using satellite imagery, which allowed the archaeologists to pinpoint its location and plan their excavation. This is a new and exciting development in the field of archaeology, and it is likely to lead to many more important discoveries in the future. Overall, the discovery of hundreds of ancient carvings is a major breakthrough in our understanding of the lives and cultures of the people who lived in the distant past. The carvings provide a unique glimpse into a world that is long gone, and they offer important clues about the beliefs, customs, and practices of the people who created them. While there are concerns about the preservation of the carvings, there is also cause for optimism, as researchers work to develop new techniques and strategies for protecting this important part of our shared cultural heritage.